Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to react to a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's dive right in. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the application and log in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the chat section where you want to react to a GIF. Once you're in the chat, locate the GIF message you want to react to. Right-click on the GIF message to bring up the context menu. From the context menu, choose the reaction you want to express. WhatsApp offers a range of reactions to choose from, such as like, love, laughter, surprise, and more. Select the one that best suits your response. After selecting your reaction, it will appear on the GIF message, indicating your response to it. Reacting to a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC is a fun and interactive way to engage with your friends and family. It adds an extra layer of expression to your conversations. That's all for today's video on how to react to a GIF in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.